Abracadabra, happy Halloween. What shall we twist today? Please welcome in clown action.
Start by pumping up your 160 lime green balloon and tie a knot. Make 2 3-centimeter bubbles and tie them together. Repeat this step 2 more times until you have 3 sets of this 3-centimeter bubble pair. Now make a 5-centimeter bubble for the stem and tie a knot. Now onto your orange balloon. Pump your balloon up and tie a knot. And attach it to the leaves. Make 5 10-centimeter bubbles. So 1 10-centimeter bubble. Make another one and fold it up to the leaves. Make another 10-centimeter bubble and wrap it around the previous set. Make another 10-centimeter bubble and tie it back up to the leaves. Now make your last 10-centimeter bubble. And using one of the 10-centimeter bubbles that you've previously made, overlap it with the last one you just made. This secures the 10-centimeter bubbles together. Now using the remaining balloon to make 2 16-centimeter bubbles. Now using that leftover piece of balloon, tie it around the previous made bubbles to secure it. Now pop the rest of your balloon, tie a knot, and wrap it back up to the stem. This makes the pumpkin more squished and short. So now you have 3 10-centimeter bubbles in the front and 2 at the back. And the twisting part is done. Now onto the face. Draw 2 triangles for the eyes, 1 triangle for the nose, and the mouth. And your pumpkin is complete.
Whoa, I have a balloon pumpkin. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.